Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a DynaTrap. So this is the newer version of the DynaTrap. If you have this one here and your light bulb burnt out and you don't know how to change this bulb, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're enjoying all my content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. This is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to show you I found nothing online on how to change this bulb. And I figured, let me make a video because a lot of people maybe get confused or they're throwing the unit away, and it's very easy to change these bulbs, but you have to know how to do it. So my first suggestion is just take off this bottom basket and just take that off totally, okay? So get that out of the way. So you're gonna see here that you really can't pull this bulb out. It looks frustrating. How do you get to it? What do? You see a screw here. You see, there's only a couple of screws. So this screw here takes off this top lid, which exposes the components on top. You don't need to do that. So don't take this screw out. Don't do that. There's one more screw right here. Hopefully you can see that. There's a screw right here, and it's a small Phillips. So just get a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew that screw, okay? And there's just no videos out there about how to change this specific bulb on this one here. This is an LED bulb, and this is what you have to do to get the bulb out. Once you get the screw out, the rest of it's super easy. So just take the screw out, as you see here, and just get that out. Get your replacement bulb, and just take that screw out. It's a small screw, so don't lose that. Save that. And always these DynaTraps, everything's always the click and lock method. So this all just unlocks like that. You can see that. Just a little turn, little eighth, not even a 16th of a turn, and this top comes off. Now you see that? This is where the bulb is. Now to get the bulb out, all you do is now you can grab it and just yank it out. Here is the bulb right here. It says DynaTrap. Just make sure you get the right model number. When you get the new one in, they just pop right in just like that. Super easy. And that's all you have to do to change that bulb. Super easy. Now put this back together. Just line up the hole where your screw was, right? You have to make sure it lines up correctly, and just snap it. And once you get that back together, so just make sure you line it up correctly, then it just snaps into place like you see here. The hole is back in. Get your screw and just put it in. Whoop, just one screw. So it's pretty easy. The hardest part is just getting this alignment back in here. Just make sure it's lined up properly. Make sure nothing is hitting underneath, and you're good to go. Take your screwdriver and just put it right back in where it was. That locks it back into its channel, and you are good to go. Simple as that. So I hope I brought you some value. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. I do appreciate that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope I brought you some value today. Super easy to do, just like you see here. And this DynaTrap is a new one. I just did a review on that, so check out the video over here. There's a review on this DynaTrap. Right over here will be the video at the end. This is the brand new version with the LED bulb, the basket, the whole new setup. So check out that video. It's a really cool video, but I wanted to show you how to change the bulb on your DynaTrap, especially the new LED ones, single pole like this here. Really easy. Just do it yourself, as you can see. All right, guys, appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.